Hey guys, so today I am going to show you how to answer a question when we go do our independent work today using the thinking steps. So step one is, what is the author teaching us the main idea? So it says, on page 5, Willie's mother says, Willie noticed everything. How do details support this idea? So they already tell us what the main idea is. The main idea is that Willie noticed everything. So right now, my thinking job is step number 2. I have to find important details that teach me about the main idea. So remember, my main idea was that Willie noticed everything. So I can look in the headings. Well, I don't see any headings here, so I can't look there. So text features. Well, I know text features also includes illustrations. So let me see in the illustrations if I notice something about Willie noticing everything. Well, I see him here, he's going like that. I see him here, he's looking up. I look at here and here. So that's a detail. So I'm going to use that detail to support that Willie noticed everything. So a detail I found was in the illustration. I noticed that Willie is walking around on page 5. This supports the main idea of how Willie watched and noticed everything. So since I used my illustration, now how do the details help you understand the main idea? Well, this example helps me understand that Willie noticed everything because he is walking around and he is looking and he notices everything. So I found my main idea and I found a detail, which was the illustration to support my main idea. So now it's your turn to go try it using your thinking steps.